Okay guys, everyone wanted a way to introduce a specific section of your store with a bold image and a strong message. Well, this section makes it feel genuinely impactful. Today, we're adding this image with text section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Image with Text number 4. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Image with Banner number 4, and choose that section. It will be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First, let's add an image, whatever you want to showcase here. I've already downloaded a reference image, so I'll add that one right now. I'll change the heading to Sections We Build and update the description to App Link in Description. Now let's scroll up and try out the different layouts. There are 3 available here, but I'll stick with the first one for now. Below that comes the button. I'll change its text to Contact Us and add a link to wherever I want to send the user. Below that is width. I'll set that to max. After that comes padding and spacing. And last up is margin. I'll keep the top and bottom equal. I'll also change the font style to Poppins, just like I do with every section, and bump up the font size a little. Last but not least, colors, which I'll also set according to my own preference. Once you're done with all that, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.